Welcome back. We are going to be looking at module 4 now, and we are considering ebook formatting. Ebook formatting. So here we are going to be looking at what is ebook formatting and the various ebook formats that we have. All right, let's get started. Now, what is ebook formatting, or what is book formatting? Book formatting is just a term refers to visual display of your book, like a structural display of your book. Now, it's like it covers how you enter line breaks, paragraph breaks, indentation, font typefaces, and punctuation marks into your book. So this is what it covers. Okay, so it's more or less like the way you structure your book for display. All right. Now let's look at some of the types of ebook format that we have. Now in each marketplace, such as Amazon, Kobo, Barnes and Noble, Apple Books, and Google Play Books, they have a unique format that's acceptable to them. Hence, you need for you to have the knowledge of all the various formats available. And here are various types of formats that are available, and your knowledge of them, it's going to go a long way. In fact, I usually recommend that my students have their manuscript formatted in all the different formats that are very, very useful, so that you won't have the problem of being rejected or not being supported when you are trying to publish your book on any of the platforms. So let's take the first one, Mobi. Mobi, this was the primary file used for uploading a book on Amazon KDB Marketplace. But this has been replaced by EPUB, so it's no longer in use. EPUB has taken over. Now, EPUB is the second ebook format type, and this one is the most widely used and well supported format for any ebook. In fact, it is the best when it comes to ebook format. Now, it can work on any digital devices, be it laptops, smartphones, tablets, Kindle, and ebook readers. It is reflowable, and it also has the fixed layout. Reflowable in the sense that it can adjust to the size of any screen, and then fixed in the sense that it has a fixed layout, meaning it does not shift or change no matter the device that you are using. Okay, now the third one is PDF. I know this is something that is very common and everybody knows about PDF. This particular type is best suited for print. So anything print, you use PDF because of the fixed layer feature that it has. So you can use it on hardcover or paperback. It is used for any book that requires a fixed layout. Now, we don't recommend it for ebook. We don't usually recommend PDF for ebook. So if you are interested in the fixed layout feature, then you can decide to use the Kindle Create software that Amazon has provided on its own platform to achieve the same purpose. All right. Now, next to it is AZW3. Now, the AZW3 is a primary book format employed by Amazon alongside with KPF. So when you submit your ebook, file, either in mobile, EPUB, or any other format, the Amazon has a way of converting them into AZW3 or KPF. So they are like the end user's file. Then we have the KPF, which is similar to AZW3. It also helps to convert. The Amazon also helps convert all the files into this particular type of format using the Kindle Create software. Then we have the AZW, which is the older version of AZW3. Then we have the dock and the dock X. The dock, that is the one that is used with a laptop or PC, and then we have the dock X, the one that is available on smartphone. Now, this one too can do the work on ebook, only that it has a problem of translation. You begin to find that your work gets scattered when it is translated into the ebook format. So that's why it is not really recommended. It is not really recommended for ebook. Then we have the Mobi Packet. This is an older book format used by Amazon, which was officially discontinued in 2016. So it's no longer in use. Then we have the iBooks. Now this one is common with Apple. So if anybody is using any Apple phone, then they can use the iBooks. But better still, you can even use your EPUB. The EPUB will also work fine on the Apple phone, so or Apple devices. Now the next one is KTF and TXT. Now these file types work technically with KDP, but the problem with them is that they don't have advanced interactive features like the others. All right. Then we have the FV2, which is the last for this discussion. Now this is a popular ebook commonly used in Russia. So the Russia, they know this particular ebook file type very, very well. So this is all the various types of ebook format that we have. Okay. Now, in summary, for ebook, the best format file is EPUB. So, if you want to create an ebook and you want to format your manuscript into an ebook, then you may want to stick with EPUB. EPUB will do the job very well. And when it comes to print, maybe you want to make a paperback or hardcover, then the best format file is your PDF. I hope this is very, very understood.